So now as a third-year dental student, my roles have kind of changed in comparison to when I first started off volunteering with CDA Cares back in 2012. When I first started, I was just a pre-dental student. I was a student here at Cal State Bakersfield, and I had an interest in dentistry and heard about these clinics, and I decided to get a bunch of friends together and see if we can all come and help out. And back then, I was assisting, I was running people around the clinic, helping them find where they needed to be, not really knowing so much the technicality behind the dentistry. Now, as a third-year dental student, I pretty much know most of the procedures that are going on. I know what instruments are needed for what. I think it's a little bit more efficient now for me because now I know what everything is, where it should be, and in what order.
It must be very rewarding too.
Very rewarding. I think the progression from 2012 to 2017 is very large, and it's very nice to be able to see that finish line, because now when I graduate in 2019, I'll be able to give back like the dentists that are here as well. As of now, my plans for graduation are to come back to Bakersfield and serve the community where I lived most of my life with. It's very underserved, and I know there are a lot of dental professionals that are needed in the area, as well as patients that need care.
Jesica Gonzalez I actually first met her at the very first CDA Cares in Modesto, and at that time she was a student at Cal State Bakersfield, and she was a runner in the restorative department that I was working at. During that time, as she was at Modesto, we became friends, and I helped mentor her. I'm very proud of the fact that she has been at almost every CDA Care since then. She is from Bakersfield, and so now she's coming back and doing a full circle, and is now coming back to her hometown, and is now providing care for her family and for her friends and the people that she grew up with in Bakersfield, which I think is a great giving back story. So I've seen her grow immensely as a person and also as a student, and I'm looking forward to seeing her in a couple years when she has graduated from UCSF, and I know that she's going to change the world in Bakersfield.